You look at me like I'm crazy. When I shut my feelings down, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are.
Good morning!
Oh, hello! Oh, here we go.
Today is the 24th of September and we are on our way to next door for our last coffee.
Which we said that yesterday.
Yes, we probably said that the day before and the day before that. But yes, today is moving day. So we're getting coffee, we're packing a little getaway bag, whatever we need in the car. And then at 12 o'clock the truck is coming to pick all of our stuff up. Exciting times. One last little view of the water. Even though...
The water?
Of the water? How are you feeling?
I'm good. I need coffee. I need coffee.
Yeah, but with the move, you feeling good?
Yeah.
Oh yes, maybe we should say we're moving to the Gold Coast from Cronulla.
Did we not say that already?
No, we haven't said anything yet.
No?
It's been a mystery. What have we been packing? What have we been doing?
Oh, a whole bunch.
We have been running around like crazy people. But today is the day. We're packing our bags and we're leaving. We're driving halfway today and the rest tomorrow.
Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
Okay, a little update.
Up a date.
So the truck driver is late, of course. So we're now gonna go and get some lunch so that our tummies are full and ready to pack a whole truck full of house stuff. And we have about 10 people coming to help us, even though I guess it's COVID and you're not really meant to. But I mean, you're allowed to help someone move.
Well, that's
But
the rule now.
maybe just not 10 people. Anyway, let's just get some food.
Food for the belly.
Food for the belly and wait for the truck.
A tiger chicken, a fury salmon, and a vegetarian grill, please. Thank you.
Okay. Shit. What's the time? 45 minutes until the truck should be here, hopefully. Fingers crossed. This is like a mukbang now. Do you know what that is?
No.
It's when you eat in front of the camera and answer questions and stuff.
No.
No.
Dogs are waiting.
Yeah. Do you know?
A mukbang.
A mukbang. We don't even have any questions to answer. Maybe we can tell a little bit. Maybe Maybe I'll tell 5 things about you and you can tell 5 things about me.
Yeah.
Hmm? This is Christopher Luke Demajo.
Hey.
He's 31 years old.
That's good.
A tradie. No. A gym hunk. A gym junkie.
No way.
He was born in Caringbah, in Australia. He used to be a professional hip hop dancer. How many things was that?
Too many.
Too many. One more thing. He loves stone and wood and a glass of red wine.
Oh yeah.
And a good steak. Okay, your turn.
Isabella Helena Maria Bäckström.
All the way around, yeah?
Yep. Hates wine, loves a tea. Hates beer but loves me.
Hates beer but loves you.
Yeah.
Okay.
She loves singing. But never sings for me.
Yep.
And
Where am I from?
Turku. In Finlandia.
Correct. There you go, 10 quick questions.
Oh yeah.
Hi. 10 quick questions and 10 quick answers.
That was just 10 quick statements.
Statements, maybe we need to do a Q&A vlog.
No one's asking questions though.
Yeah, someone will. Said bye to Chris's mum and everyone else, and now we're just putting some air pressure, whatever it's called, in the tires and in the jet ski, and then we're going.
3 more hours.
3 more hours. On the road we are. We woke up at 5, it's 7 AM now. Just had a quick coffee at Macca's. And yeah, we're going good.
We're cruising.
We're cruising for a bruising. Soon we'll arrive in Tweed, 3 more hours. And then we gotta unload everything from the truck, just the 2 of us. Because yesterday we had like 7 people helping us. But not today. Today it's just the 2 of us. So unload the truck into a storage container, shipping container, and then we'll see how long that'll take us, huh? The truck is behind us. The gate is open.
379.
And we're on. Holy macaroni. This is gonna be a long day, and it's about 30 degrees here at the depot. I look pale as a, I don't even know what. But yes, all of this is gonna somehow fit in here. It's gonna be a long day. Good job, honey. Everything is in there. Now the only thing we need is the mattress on top of the car. This is how your hair looks like after having it braided for 3 days, I think. We are going for a swim. Yeah?
Oh, I need one so bad.
We've been going on non-stop. Like, non-stop. And it's chaos. I don't know if you can see. But we cannot complain. But yes, swim and then just maxo, relaxo. In Finnish we would say päivä pulkassa.
Ja päivänä pulkassa.
Which means like today's done.
Today is a wrap.
Yeah. Cheers for that. Thanks for watching. And we'll see if we can get some more Queensland updates from our new adventure. Do you have anything to say?
Buggered.
Buggered.
That's it.
Alrighty, well.
Tomorrow, house hunting.
House hunting, looking for new areas, new beaches, warm water, everything that Sydney didn't offer us.
Which is everything.
Cool.
Oh, my leg.
Good afternoon or whatever it is.
Good afternoon, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hasta luego,
Good
ciao
morning.
bella.
Hey do.
Hej då.